Hi, this is Sean Bulson, Superintendent of Harford County Public Schools, with this week's video update. We were all encouraged by Governor Hogan's announcement yesterday that we're easing the coronavirus restrictions and moving from the stay-at-home order to a safer-at-home approach. For schools, these changing conditions mean we need to think about how we're going to operate, not only right now, but through the summer and into the fall next year. We currently have 5 teams working on our recovery planning, and they have a great deal of work to do. We're using the Maryland Recovery Plan for Education, which is posted on the State Department of Education's website at marylandpublicschools.org. So if you want some more insights into the recovery planning and all the things we need to be considering, you can review that document. This year, our school will end for students on June 16th. I believe we announced this last week, but we want to reiterate that. And of course, we got to June 16th because we are adding 5 days back. The state superintendent requested a waiver of 5 days of the initial 10 we were closed, but that required us to use 5 of our inclement weather days and add those to the end of the calendar. So the last day for students will be June 16th. And as a reminder, the last day for seniors is May 22nd. Yesterday, I was able to announce the graduation plans for our seniors. We're excited that we're able to do, an in-person element as well as the digital commencement exercises. All of the work around that, the schools will be putting out the individual plans, but those will all occur during the week of June 8th through June 12th. In addition, we're also celebrating the students in our signature programs. There are celebrations planned between May 21st and May 28th, so watch for the announcements on those, as people should be able to join virtually and celebrate our students in our signature programs. We've had much recognition recently, but this week, due to a proclamation by Governor Hogan, is Pupil Personnel Workers Week. And of course, our pupil personnel workers do so much to take care of our students, to provide supports for our students beyond school, reach out to our students. We want to thank them for everything they do and everything they've been doing. They're such critical employees. Last Wednesday was National School Nurses Day. I didn't have a chance to get that into last week's video, so I wanted to make sure I also sent a special shout out to them, because like all healthcare workers, our school nurses are absolutely essential in ensuring the safe and healthy environment for our students. And I think that work is just so evident now, so thank you to them. We are finalizing plans for how we will have both students and staff be able to access schools to pick up any belongings they may have left behind and leave things they have that are school property. This will allow us to have everything in place so we can do our school cleaning and have students ready to move on to the next grade levels. But of course, with all the social distancing, the guidelines around that, we have to be very careful and plan that out. So watch soon. There should be announcements coming out about that, and probably expect a time to hear from your schools when you might be able to get appointments to go in and gather belongings. And on that final note with watching the calendar, May 18th, Monday, we start our registration for new students. So that's predominantly kindergarten students, but other students moving into Harford County. We will have the open window for that beginning on Monday, and more details about that coming out then. So with all of that, I'd like to close as usual. Please take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and stay safe. Have a great week.